Welcome to this Q Interactive video tutorial, demonstrating how to start, resume, and review subtests from the Battery tab within Assess. The Battery tab depicts all the subtests that comprise your battery as individual rows, along with the ability to edit your battery. Directly under the Battery tab, we can see that we'll need to tap the Start or Resume button in order to start or navigate back into our battery. This button is always located on the test image of the current subtest within your battery, and it will change depending on where you are within your assessment session. Before starting the assessment, this button will be labeled as the Start button, and upon tapping on it, will navigate you to the title card for the first subtest within your battery. If you decide to close the assessment session and return to the home screen and then the Battery tab, the Start button will be replaced with the Resume button. Tapping this button brings you back to where you were within your assessment battery before you exited the assessment session. While administering your battery, you may skip or flag test items that you want to score at a later time or review after you have completed the assessment session. These skipped or flagged items are represented by a red circle with a number in it over the sidebar button. If you close out of the assessment by navigating back to the home screen and then the Battery tab, the Review button will be replaced with a To Do button, providing you with a visual that there are some items that need to be completed before you can review all of your scores. Tapping this button brings you right back to where you were within your assessment before exited, allowing you to use the Sidebar button to review items. After all the test items have been scored and all flags removed, the To Do button will change to a Review button. Tapping the Review button navigates you to the end of subtest page for the last administered subtest of your battery, allowing you to review individual test items and listen to auditory recordings as needed. Thanks for watching.